Good afternoon, boys and girls. Miss Barrow coming to you this afternoon with Math Lesson 1.7, reading and writing our numbers from 0 to 5. Miss Elliott read you a story the end of last week called Chicka Chicka 123, and we found out just how important the number 0 was. He did not climb up the apple tree, or the coconut tree, I should say, and when he came down, when we counted down from 10 all the way to 1, he didn't feel like he had a place in the number line. But he did, because if you remember, we added him to the number 10 and he made the number 100. So 0 is our superhero because he allows us to make bigger numbers by putting a 0 on the end. And we're going to learn how to count later on in the school year by tens, getting up to those numbers all the way to 100. Well, in writing the number 0, it looks like a letter O, Oscar Orange, but it's not. It's kind of long and skinny, kind of like an egg. It's got that oval shape, which we'll talk about again. We've also been counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, which we did in our Zoom class today when we were counting about those monkeys jumping and falling off the bed. And what did Mama and Papa say? No more monkeys jumping on the bed. And we counted down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if I were a spaceship and gonna blast off today, when I hit the number 0, I would blast off into space. So let's count with me. Start with the number 5, and we're going to count down to 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. When we hear that word blast off, I want you guys to jump like you're going to the sky, like you're a rocket, just like Red Robot wants to ride that rocket. I want you to jump towards the sky as high as you can, like you're blasting off like a rocket. You want to do it again with me? All right. Crouch down on the ground so you're kind of standing on your feet, but you're squatting down. And when we get to 0, remember, we're going to yell blast off, and you're going to shoot up into the air. Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Great job, you guys. All right, come on back to your tables and come have a seat because we're going to look at some tens frames. And we've been doing a lot of work with our tens frames. Here's our tens frames, and I've got different dots inside of our tens frame. And what I'm going to show you how to do is to count those dots and to put the number that goes along with the dots in the tens frame. So let's start up here at the top. Here I am right here. Do you see my happy little cursor? How many dots do you see in this tens frame? That's right. You only see 1. So I'm going to go find my number 1. 0. That's not the number 1. 3. That's not the number 1. 5. That's not the number 1. 1. Oh, there he is. I'm going to take my number 1 and I'm going to move that square over top of my tens frame. Don't worry, I'm going to move him to the side so we can see him better later. Let's go down to the next one. Help me count these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots are in my tens frame? That's right, there's 4. So let me find my number 4 to match it. Let me start at the top. 0, that's not a 4. 3, that's not a 4. 5, that's not a 4. Oh, there's the number 4. So I'm going to slide this number 4 over to the side of the tens frame so I know that there's 4 dots inside that tens frame. Let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to find my number 3, start at the top. 0, no. 3, there he is, and I'm going to slide him down. Go back up to the top over here. Count them with me. 1, 2. So very quickly, I'm going to move my number 2. Come on, happy number 2. Slide with me. My drag and drop over here. And here's the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot of dots. And I'm going to just slide him over So he's sitting right next to that tens frame. And obviously, there's no dots down here at the bottom. So I'm going to put him right beside that. So watch me as I move my numbers. Come on, happy little number 2. I'm going to slide you over here. Here's my number 1. I'm going to slide you over here so you can see your numbers and how many of each you have in a tens frame. When you guys look at your lesson this afternoon, I think you're going to have to count some shapes inside of a wagon. Make sure you're counting 1 to 1 so you can keep track of that number in your head. And remember, if you see a tens frame or a wagon with nothing in it, that means you're going to put the number 0. And the number 0 looks like the letter O, Oscar Orange, but it's not a O. It kind of looks like an egg. It's taller and skinnier, and it's elongated like an oval. I hope you guys have a good evening. We'll see you again tomorrow.